Oh, listen, I'm recording. Actually, that's quite impressive, isn't it? Well, welcome to Polish Up. I'm going to start making my first videos, so you're going to have to bear with me because this is very new to me, and so I mean, as we speak, I'm struggling to say things that are interesting. Decided to make things real. I decided to face up to it and create, I'm a real human being. I'm not AI generated. I can assure you, it's this is not easy, eh? Trying to use my initiative and make it as interesting as possible. Currently, you wouldn't believe how many days it's taken me to build up the courage to actually come here and speak. So I've gone and bought myself a fancy gimbal, this thing that follows you around. I don't know how it's going to pan out or how it's going to work, but I'm sure I'm going to get better and better as the days go on, because I'll keep on hopefully just entertaining you. But one thing I suppose is you need to subscribe and follow. I don't know if I'm supposed to be so happy on a Monday morning, but generally a happy character. But yeah, anyway, so I got 250 grams and they're off to New South Wales somewhere. And yeah, I've gone and I was so busy talking to you that I didn't look at, I've forgotten the name of the person I've just packed in the envelope. So, okay, hang on. There we go. I found it. Thank goodness. Yeah, I got Jill from Grossvale, New South Wales, Grossvale. She's bought herself some Goddard silver dip. What a great product. Gosh, it cleans silver so easily. Very impressive. I'm so glad we sell it. And there's a lot of there's still a lot of people with silverware and the Queen Silver, which is very interesting. I mean, we sell quite a bit of it, and very happy customers, returning customers that keep on coming back, which is a really good thing for us. Yeah. So, actually got a variety of items to post out today, and I'm supposed to be speaking to the camera to tell you what I'm up to, but I've spent so long thinking my thoughts without speaking them, it makes it difficult to articulate what I'm thinking. Generally keep to myself. Some people would say I'm an introvert. I have been known to be an extrovert on occasion. I have my moments. Yeah, so, Jill's going to be very happy. I better look at that number or else I won't know who it was. There we go. So what I'm doing here is I basically know how much this weighs. I've sent so many out. And this little program here calculates all the weights and the postage for me, and I choose the postage accordingly. So this is an eBay customer. So there's a couple of little things I need to tweak and make sure that are nice and clear, because eBay can be fairly cumbersome to deal with. Yeah. Actually, go and have a look at our eBay Polish Up Oz and Polish Up. We've got some really good feedback there, and we indicate that on the website just to try and persuade you that we're not talking rubbish. We Be very genuine. Yeah. So there we go. And I'll just print off a nice post label. They're packed and posted and off to the customer. If any of you need a few tips on how to set up an e-commerce business, give us a shout. I'm quite happy to give you a few tips. Hopefully I can help some people along the way, not only to polish and make your stuff look wonderful, but also to help you with this kind of stuff. No, that's not to say I'm a guru. By no means. I'm just a humble packer. Do you know that every order that goes out of this little business is packed by yours truly? So I can assure you, I've been everything gets packed up so nicely. So I try and make sure that everything's wrapped, and basically I want it to be just how I'd like to receive it. There's the odd occasion when Australia Post don't really come up with the goods, and I've got to work my way around that. For example, the other day I sent out a machine with a kit, and customer received the kit, never received the machine, and some blighter bloody pinched it. Anyway, so this here is the Oz Buffco polishing compounds, which we sell amongst a few other compounds. We sell Menzona, and we also sell the Orion brand. We have been doing the Orion brand since we began doing business here in Oz, and of course we're expanding our range. But we know I've actually just had a conversation with this customer because one of our products wasn't in stock, and he's quite happy to receive an alternative. And he bought a machine from us, and he says he's not a professional polisher, but he's so happy with the machine, which makes me feel really good. Yeah, so basically there's cutting and finishing compounds included in this kit. He's obviously got a bunch of wheels there, and he's ordered himself a color stitch wheel, which is it's a good wheel for light cutting and finishing. That ends the session for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like what you've seen so far, subscribe and like and leave a comment. I'd love it. It'll help us immensely. All right, until next time. Cheers now.